Okay, so I was on this YouTube website. This guy was talking about making, his name is Jonathan B. He was talking about making Korean street food, a Gyeran Bbang, Gyeran Bbang, which is basically a muffin with an egg yolk in the middle of it. So followed his recipe word for word, and here's what we have. First, can you zoom in on this? These are I wrote down his recipe, and this is what I came up with.
Yeah.
All right. So I ran out of batter to fill the top one, but we're gonna try one of the good ones. Which one?
This one.
Okay, we're gonna do this one here. So let's how do I get this out? Okay, so this is what it looked like. We're gonna cut this open. You ready? Let's see what it looks like in the middle. Oh, looks like the egg fell to the bottom.
Ooh.
Ooh. Let's try another one. Let's see what this one looks like. Whoops.
That one did not fall to the bottom.
No? Let's see what happens. Oh. So they fall to the bottom. But it turned out. So you want to take a bite, Xavier?
Kind of tastes like cornbread.
Kind of tastes like cornbread? Okay. Alright, well the one thing, the guy, Jonathan B., he was from England, and he said, put the oven at 200 degrees. Well, in England, apparently, 200 degrees is 200 degrees Celsius, and here in America, we do 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So, that was where I kind of screwed up. See at the top, when I write 200 degrees for 20 minutes, well, it's 350 degrees. Okay. What do you give it? Thumbs up? 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10? Definitely an 8.
Oh, that's pretty good. Zoom in on this. Yeah, it turned out. So, okay. Over and out.